Looking to design a music app for your iPhone using the latest iOS 26? In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to wireframe a latest version of music app for iPhone using MockFlow's iOS 26 UI kit, which provides menu, buttons, icons, widgets, and more that match the original iOS 26 design. Let's start by setting up the base using the iPhone frame from the iOS 26 UI kit. This will be the foundation for all screens. Since the home screen is the first thing users see, we'll add a wallpaper from the UI kit. And bring in the status bar from the kit, which shows the time, network, and battery, making it feel like a real iPhone. We'll also add the navigation home bar for moving between screens. Next, we'll make the home screen realistic. Let's add common icons like the camera and torch from the UI kit to give the home screen an authentic look. Now, let's create the lock screen. Users naturally check the time on this screen, so we'll add the current time and date with proper visibility. Since we're designing a music app, we'll also include the music player notification on the lock screen, showing track name, artist, song progress, and controls like play, pause, and shuffle. Once the user unlocks the phone, they land on the music app's home screen. We'll use the same iPhone frame and add a rectangle for the background to keep the flow consistent. Let's keep the essentials. Just like before, we'll drag in the status bar and the home navigation bar to maintain the iPhone's standard look and feel. Now, let's greet the user. We can add a welcome message like "Hello, username," along with a short tagline such as "Find the best songs of 2025" to make the app feel personal and inviting. Users love quick access. So, we'll add a search bar from the UI kit to help users easily find songs. We can add a placeholder text like "looking for" to guide them. Let's showcase popular songs. We'll create a popular songs section and add a See All option so users can explore the full list with just a tap. Time to display albums. We'll drag and drop album images and use a stylish glass effect design for the album name and artist, making sure the text is clean and readable. Users can tap these to start listening. We can easily reuse the album component. Just duplicate the album layout for other songs to quickly build a realistic, vertical scrollable list. Let's add more browsing options. We'll bring in the dynamic tab bar for navigation purpose and create a top albums section similar to the popular songs section. Each row will have album images, artist names, song titles, and a drag icon to indicate sorting. We can customize each row. You can easily swap out album images, artist names, and song titles to give the app variety and a real-world feel. Next, let's build the music player screen. When a user clicks on a song, they'll land here. We'll use the same frame and add a back button from the MockFlow icon library so users can easily return to the previous screen. We'll also add a More Options icon in the top right corner for additional settings. Let's set up the core music player. We'll add the artist's name at the top and insert a media control component from the UI kit to handle play, pause, and skip features. Make it visually appealing. We'll add the artist's image from the UI kit, and below that, we'll display the lyrics, which will scroll in sync while the music plays, making it a fun, interactive experience. We can now update the navigation bar. By customizing the bottom navigation, we'll add a search component to ensure it matches the rest of the app's design and provides easy navigation across screens. And we're done. We have now wireframed a complete music app for iPhone using MockFlow's iOS 26 UI kit, quickly and efficiently. Keep wireframing, keep creating. Hit subscribe for more wireframing videos.